Bitcoin has been around for more than 15 years, yet a lot of people still have no idea how it actually works.
So today, I'm gonna explain Bitcoin in the simplest way possible. Bitcoin is basically internet money. But here's the weird part. No company owns it. There's no CEO, no bank in the middle, and definitely no customer support line when you forget your password. Crypto can be a little cold sometimes. So, who controls Bitcoin? The answer is everyone. Bitcoin runs on something called the blockchain. And the easiest way to think about blockchain is this. Imagine an online accounting book, but millions of people around the world all keep a copy of it. Every time someone sends Bitcoin, that transaction gets broadcast to a massive network of computers across the globe. Those computers work together to check if the transaction is legit, basically asking questions like, does this guy actually have enough Bitcoin to send? Or is he pretending to be a crypto millionaire while his account balance is still $14? If the transaction is valid, it gets added into a new block. Then that block gets connected to the previous blocks, block after block after block, like a train that never stops moving. And here's the interesting part. Once information is added to the blockchain, changing it becomes extremely difficult. If you wanted to hack one block, you basically have to rewrite the entire chain across millions of computers at the same time. Honestly, it's probably easier to explain to your parents why a monkey JPEG sold for millions of dollars. But who adds these new blocks? That's where miners come in. Miners use extremely powerful computers to compete against each other, solving complex math problems. Whoever solves the problem first gets to add the next block to the blockchain and earns Bitcoin as a reward. This process is called mining. This sounds a bit like an online money-making game, except the electricity bill is very real. Bitcoin is also special because the system only allows a maximum of 21 million coins to ever exist. No one can print more whenever they want. And that's why many people call Bitcoin digital gold. Of course, Bitcoin's price is still incredibly volatile. One day you feel like an investing genius. The next day you're staring at charts at 3 a.m. questioning your life decisions. But whether people love Bitcoin or hate it, the technology behind it is still one of the most fascinating financial ideas ever created on the internet.
And if this video helped you finally understand Bitcoin, make sure to subscribe crypto in the simplest way possible.